Up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily build a tower. So first of all what you're going to need to do is get some sand, or you can use any blocks, but preferably you should have sand. So it's because it's easier to break it later on. So you're just going to build it a bit high. Let me fast forward this step a bit. Seems I have come up pretty much high above. So okay, so what you're gonna do next is basically you're just gonna start placing blocks just like I am doing right here on all sides and one on top. And for this you should use any other block besides sand, or else the sand will fall down. So here I'm using just sand blocks, sandstone, and like this. Okay, so pretty much our structure above is complete. So you should carefully just do your structure just like I did. So, okay, next what you're gonna do is you're just gonna place a lava bucket all around the top like this, and you're just gonna let it flow all the way downwards. So it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna go down. So I'm just gonna, fast forward to that part when it reaches the bottom, okay? Our lava is almost about to touch the ground, so we're just gonna go back up. We have to wait a few seconds to let the lava spread out and become even. So what we're gonna do once we're at the top is we're just gonna place another block of sand or whatever we want right here, and then place water on top of it, and we're just gonna see the magic unfold. As you can see, all the lava is constantly becoming into a cobblestone. So let's wait for the results. Okay, now what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna stop the flow of water on the top. So for that, I'm gonna place another block right now. And just like that, the water flow has stopped. I'm just gonna break it again like this. And let's go down. We're just gonna wait for the water to come down. Okay. Okay, the water has come down. So now what we're just gonna do is we're gonna make a gate to come inside, the tower. So I'm just gonna select this side because it has a nice place coming from the village. So I'm just gonna bake a few blocks like this. Next, I'm just gonna get some stairs. Okay, I'm gonna place one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. Two torches right here. And just like that, I'm gonna take a door, made of iron preferably. Now I'm gonna attach the iron door just like this. And to activate it, I'm just gonna add a, pressure plate here. As you can see, I've added a pressure plate. Now what I'm gonna do is just add cobblestone right over here. We basically have to cover entire ground with cobblestone inside and a pressure plate on the inside just like this. So it can be opened. Okay, now what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna let me just place a few torches before. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this and place a torch like this. So I don't have to, manually break the blocks. That was the use of sand, okay? This would pretty much help you quicken up the process. So let me just add a few torches right here, right here. Along, let's keep on going. If you want more space, then you can just break it. Okay, I'm just gonna fix that in a second. To fix it, I'm just gonna add a cobblestone like this, and next I'm gonna add more torches like this. Further, what I can do is I can just place a stone on top of it, and you can just see how great our tower has become. And you can make the layout of it inside any way you like. So personally, I would just place some chests on the corner and make a stairway that goes all the way to the top. And you can just pretty much design it however you want. Last thing what you need to do is just fill the ground like I'm doing right here. Make your tower just like this, and that's pretty much for this video. If you guys need any help or anything, just comment below. And if you need more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much.